Hi, boys and girls. It's Mr. Brower again from Broad Rock. I teach first grade at Broad Rock, and we're here to talk again about character, setting, problem, and solution. Okay, we're going to read a story. Actually, we're going to reread the story we read yesterday. So if you weren't here yesterday, that's fine. We're going to listen to the story again. We're talking about the three billy goats gruff. We're going to listen to that story, and then we're going to answer some questions about character, setting, problem, and solution. And we're going to try and write some sentences too. We're going to learn some sight words or some high frequency words that are in the story. So we are going to do that today as well. Like I said, if you weren't here yesterday, that's fine. We're going to do everything again today. We're going to listen to the whole story, and we'll finish up everything after we do the story. Okay, like I was saying, today we're going to identify character, setting, problem, and solution in a story. And these are important because they help you understand what's happening in the story, and they help you tell somebody else what's happening in the story. These are called story elements, the main parts of a story. Now, those words are kind of big: character, setting, problem, and solution. Yesterday we did character and setting. Again, if you don't want to write those words out, or just to give you an idea of what we're talking about, the character, we have a little person there. That is the person or the animal, people or the animals that are in the story. The setting is where the story happens. That's why we have a picture of a house. The problem is something that's wrong or something that has to be fixed. That's why there's a sad face. And the solution is what we fix, or how we fix the problem. And so that's why there's a happy face, okay? Because we fixed that problem. The story we're going to read today is the Three Billy Goats Gruff. Some of you may know that story. Like I said yesterday, it's one of my favorite stories. Here's some important words that we're going to see in that story. And then at the end, we're going to write some sentences with a few of these words. So there are three billy goats gruff. So that's our first word, three. The next word is goats, Goats, because there's three goats in the story. Then we have little. Then we have grass is another one of our sight words. Middle, troll, big, and bridge. So those are our high frequency words, words that you're going to see a lot in the story, and words that it's helpful for you to be able to read them right away when you're looking at the story. So let's go ahead and start the story right now. Please pay attention, and we'll talk about the story at the end.
Once upon a time, there were three billy goats gruff. Yeah. There was little billy goat gruff. Yeah. Middle billy goat gruff. Yeah. Yeah. And big billy goat gruff. Yeah. The three brothers loved to eat grass. All day long, they ate and ate. Nom nom nom. Num num. Num num. Soon, they had eaten every last blade of grass on the hill where they lived. No. No. Across a river, the billy goat scrub could see a wide meadow with sweet green grass. How they longed to cross the river. billy goat's gruff were afraid to cross the bridge. Yeah. For in the darkness below lived a big, hairy troll with horrible yellow eyes. Horrible teeth. And horrible claws. He gobbled up anyone who tried to cross the bridge. The three billy goat Gruff grew hungrier and hungrier. One day, little billy goat Gruff could wait no longer. Yeah. Yeah. Trip, trap, went his hooves on the wooden bridge. Yeah. 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 Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? Growled the troll, jumping up onto the bridge. Oh no, the troll is blocking little Billy Goat. He must be very scared. What do you think is going to happen next?
Hello, I'm off to eat sweet green grass,
said little Billy Goat Gruff in a very small voice. Yeah. Oh, no, you're not, roared the troll, because I am going to eat you up. Yeah.
Don't eat skinny little me,
said little Billy Goat Gruff.
Middle Billy Goat Gruff will be along soon. He's much bigger and fatter than I.
Yeah. Very well, growled the troll. Be off with you. Yeah. So little Billy Goat Gruff skipped over the bridge and into the wide meadow with the sweet green grass. Yeah. Hooray! The other goats can see that little Billy Goat Gruff made it safely across the bridge. Which Billy Goat do you think should go next? Not long after, along came Middle Billy Goat Gruff. Trip, trap, went his hooves on the wooden bridge. Yeah. Once more, up jumped the monstrous troll. Who's that trip-trapping over my bridge? He rumbled. Yeah.
I'm off to eat sweet green grass,
said Middle Billy Goat Gruff. Yeah. Oh, no, you're not, roared the troll, because I am going to eat you up.
But I'm all skin and bones,
said Middle Billy Goat Gruff.
Wait for my older brother, Big Billy Goat Gruff. He's so much fatter than I.
Yeah. Yum, yum, said the greedy troll, licking his lips, and he led Middle Billy Goat Gruff across the bridge to the meadow. Yum, yum. The troll allowed Little Billy Goat and Middle Billy Goat to cross the bridge because he's so greedy. Now there's only Big Billy Goat Gruff left. How is he going to get to the other side? Then along came Big Billy Goat Gruff. Tramp, tramp, went his heavy hooves on the wooden bridge. Who's that tramping over my bridge? Boomed a voice, and up leapt the hairy troll again. I'm off to eat sweet green grass, said Big Billy Goat Gruff. Yeah. Oh, no, you're not, roared the troll, because I am going to eat you up, and I'm very hungry. Oh, are you? Shouted Big Billy Goat Gruff. Lowering his head, Big Billy Goat Gruff charged at the troll with his big brown horns. Smack! Smack! Big Billy Goat Gruff tossed the troll over the side of the bridge. Down. Down. Down fell the troll. And he was never seen again. Those three billy goats were very clever. They worked together to cross the bridge. What plan did they come up with to trick the troll? Big Billy Goat Gruff trotted happily across the bridge. There, he joined his brothers Little Billy Goat Gruff and Middle Billy Goat Gruff in the wide meadow.
Num num. Num num.
Yeah. And there they lived happily ever after, munching on sweet green grass. Num num num.
Num num. Yum yum.
All right, boys and girls, I hope you enjoyed that story again. Now, like I said yesterday, we've gone over some of the character elements already, but we're going to do those again, the story elements. So yesterday we did character and setting. First of all, for those of you that are just starting again, we're going to take a small piece of paper and we're going to fold it up so that we can make it into 4 different squares. So take a regular piece of paper. This one I worked on yesterday a little bit. You're going to fold it once like a hamburger and then fold it again like a hot dog. So now it's about this size. And then if you open it up, you're going to have 4 different little squares. This little person means character. This is for the setting today. We're going to fill in the problem and the solution. Okay. So you can take a look at that. That's what your paper should look like. Now, I've already written the answers in here for character, setting, problem, and solution. Now, these we did yesterday. I'll hold these up there again. The character is the person, the people, or the animal that are in the story. Now, this story doesn't have any people, so it's just animals. It was the goat, G-O-A-T, and the troll, T-R-O-L-L. And even though there was some grassy fields and some trees, the main part of this story was the bridge. So that's what I said for the setting. Everything happened around the bridge. So the characters are the troll and the goat. The setting is the bridge, B-R-I-D-G-E. Okay, I'll leave that up there for a second. If you're not done, that's okay. I'm going to leave it up here. And that's crossing the bridge. Okay, now we're going to do problem and solution. Okay, now the problem was the troll. He was under the bridge. He wouldn't let anybody cross the bridge. So that's why there's a sad face there. The problem was the troll. So you can draw that troll. Draw a big fat body with a head and some horns on it and the claws. And he has a mean face, okay? Because that's what the troll does. He has a mean face. Now, the solution was, the way to make things better is we have to push the troll off the bridge. I know that's a lot of words. So if you can't write all those words, just draw a picture of the troll upside down falling off the bridge. Ah, the big billy goat pushed him off the bridge. So that's how we solved the problem. So the characters were the goats and the troll. The setting was the bridge. The problem was the troll was under the bridge and wouldn't let him cross. And the solution was to push the troll off the bridge. So that's what we did. I'm going to hold this up for just a few more minutes so that you guys can fix that. If you've already drawn the pictures, you can just color. You may color your pictures for a few minutes while I give everybody a chance to write these words and draw these pictures. And parents at home, if you want, there'll be a link at the bottom of this for you to click on the slides that we're using, so you can look at them again and help your kids work on those. Okay. So character, setting, problem, and solution. All right. And the solution was they pushed the troll off the bridge. Okay. Now, one thing I want to talk about is, we talked about our sight words before, high frequency words, okay? Words that we see a lot in the story. So we're going to write some sentences together. We're going to ask some questions about the story, and we're going to write some sentences together that have some of the sight words on them, okay? So let's start with the first sentence. The first sentence says, the grass is on the other side. Now, which one of those was one of our sight words? Okay, one of those words was one of our words that's shows up a lot in the story. And that word is grass, okay? So I'm going to circle the word grass with yellow. Well, you can't really see that, I guess. The grass is on the other side. So the grass is the sight word. I'm going to go ahead and underline that in blue. So the next one, we're going to ask a question about the troll, and also that is one of the sight words. So we're going to write that sentence too. So the next sentence says, where is the troll? How do you know that's a sentence? Because it has a question mark at the end. Look, all the other sentences have periods. An asking sentence is a question, and that's what the question mark is. So this question is asking, where is the troll? Now let me underline the sight word from that. Troll was the sight word. Where is the troll? Okay. Now I've already written the answer down here, but go ahead and say it out loud if you want. The troll is under the bridge. Okay. The troll is under the bridge. See if you can write that. I'll leave this up here for a few seconds so you can write that. The troll is under the bridge. This sentence has two sight words in it. Troll and bridge. Okay, those are our two sight words. And the last sentence for today is, the goats crossed the bridge. They had to get across the bridge to get to the good grass. So that's our last sentence for today. The goats crossed the bridge. Okay, let me underline those, and then I'll hold this up again so that you can write those sentences if you want to. Okay, the goats crossed the bridge. And let me go ahead and hold up our my pictures that I drew. I don't know if everybody can see all those. So that's what we did today with our story. Okay. The goat and the troll were the characters. The bridge was the setting. The problem was the troll. And the solution was to push the troll off the bridge. And then we used some of our sight words in some sentences. The grass is on the other side. Where is the troll? The troll is under the bridge, and the goats crossed the bridge. Okay, that's it. I hope you enjoyed our story again. And it's Friday now, so I hope everybody has a good weekend. Come back again next week. We'll have a lot more nice lessons for you. And that's all for today. Bye-bye.